Hello everyone, this is the 7th episode of Editing Weekends, and in this video I'll be talking how you can make a cinematic look in your photos. So first you have to upload it and then go to the auto setting and then go to the light setting where you can do the basic adjustment like exposure, highlight, shadows and whites and blacks. As you can see, I'll decrease the white because then the clouds in the back will pop up. And after that, what I do is just go to the color section and increase the vibrance a little bit and go to the mixture and then decrease the hue of this color. And after that, I'll increase the saturation and then decrease the green as well, and increase the aqua saturation and decrease the blue saturation. It will help us in later. Okay, now what we have to do is just now we go back, and as you can see the difference is now noticeable. Now what we do have to do is go to the effect section, and there you can find dehaze. Increase the dehaze by around 80% like this. And after that, as you can see, our photo look much better and cinematic. Now go to the clarity and decrease it, and texture also decrease, and do the vignette settings as well. And after, in the last part, go to the light section, go to the curves and make a S curve, which gives our photo a faded and a cinematic look. Just make a S curve and click on done. Our photo is now completed, and let's see, this is before and this is after. Now it's look much more cinematic and dramatic. And that's it for the video. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and goodbye.